Over 2 months after a Sussex County long-term care facility closed, there are now financial burdens it left behind.
Our Christy Kalishian with the latest tonight in Andover. Christy.
That's right. This was once the state's largest nursing home, and by the time it closed in August, there were only 15 people living in there. And while we're hearing that the families of these residents are happy with that transition, it was safe going to different nursing facilities for these patients. Now what's left apparently is unpaid taxes on what's Andover's largest tax revenue source.
Oh my God, yes, finally.
This was Francesca Veen's reaction to hearing that the former Andover Subacute and Rehabilitation Center officially shut down. I spoke with her last year about it.
I'll give my praise and clapping and everything when the place shuts down.
Her nearly 90-year-old grandma, also named Francesca, died of a staph infection from an untreated bed sore at the facility in 2020 when it was accused of mistreating its patients, even creating a makeshift morgue where it kept 17 body bags of its patients.
And they won't let us talk to anybody, any of the residents. We don't even know if they're dead or not. I didn't even know if she was dead or not. There are times I think about her and I just break down because of how she died.
They should pay their bills. No excuses. You can't just stop paying your bills because you feel like it.
Now, the landlord of the facility that was since rebranded as Woodland Behavioral and Nursing Center is accused of not paying its taxes. It's the single largest revenue source in Andover, bringing in $1.4 million last year. Congressman Josh Gottheimer says if the landlord doesn't pay up, he's asking the state to provide aid to the town. If that doesn't work, he'll ask the state to dip into the $6 billion the state has in Emergency American Rescue Plan money.
I can't think of a better reason for the state to tap into these resources than to ensure that Andover Township can continue to provide essential and emergency services for its residents in the face of a sudden, unfortunate pandemic-related change in town revenue.
And Francesca actually says she hopes to see the facility just become something else, like something for kids. And actually, we tried reaching out to BNJD Property, which owns the facility, the property of the facility. But it was really weird trying to get in touch with them. I mean, the phone number of the facility on its Instagram page was actually linked to a nursing home in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. I tried asking them, do you know anything about, Woodland, which it got rebranded to? And they said no, they had no idea. And the address of the facility was still underneath that Bloomsburg phone number, which was on their Instagram. Very hard to get in touch with them, but hoping we can try and get in touch with them soon to try to get their side of this. And that's the latest that we have here in Andover. Christy Kalishian, News 12, New Jersey. Back to you.